Hello everyone, I'm Zhangyan Lin, a Huawei engineer. Today, I'm going to introduce the key assurance function of Level 3 autonomous driving on Huawei data center networks. When major events are held, crowded places show explosive growth in traffic, which affects the network. For example, if a company holds an online launch that attracts more than 500,000 users, service traffic during that launch would be much greater than the typical traffic experienced on a daily basis. The weight of such heavy traffic causes the data center network's performance to deteriorate. Network delays increase or services are even interrupted, resulting in a degraded live streaming experience. The traditional key service assurance mode heavily depends on expert experience and takes a long time to manually detect problems. It results in insufficient fault locating as well as a high rate of customer complaints. Statistics show that it takes more than 76 minutes to locate data center network faults on average, which cannot meet the demands of online streaming services. Powered by Level 3 autonomous driving, Huawei iMaster NCE-Fabric now provides the key assurance function. This function monitors the network in real time and implements fast fault diagnosis and one-click troubleshooting, significantly simplifying network assurance and reducing costs. Now, let's see how to deploy the key assurance function. Currently, there are two ways to enable the key assurance function. The first is to allow iMaster NCE-Fabric to automatically recommend service flows to be guaranteed upon application launch. The second is to manually create service flows to be guaranteed. Here, we use the second method as an example. First, we log into iMaster NCE-Fabric. Click the Smart Assistant icon on the right and click Key Assurance in the lower left corner. In the operation area on the right, click Add. After that, select the protocol used between the source and destination of the flow to be guaranteed, and enter the source and destination applications, services, service IP addresses, and ports. Next, click Save and enable to save and enable the flow to be guaranteed. On the key assurance page, we can view the information about the created key assurance task. iMaster NCE-Fabric can display the application topology and path reachability in real time. When clicking Traffic Monitoring, we can find that the guaranteed flow is normal. However, after a period of time, iMaster NCE-Fabric reports a message indicating that the flow to be guaranteed is abnormal. In this case, the key service traffic is interrupted and a VXLAN tunnel interruption alarm is received. To rectify the fault, check the underlay route configuration and routing entries of the device based on the fault remediation suggestions provided by iMaster NCE-Fabric. Through the detailed alarm information displayed on iMaster NCE-Fabric Insight, and a comparison of the configuration snapshots before and after the alarm was generated, we can see that the alarm was generated because the loopback address was incorrectly deleted. After the fault is rectified, go to the intent verification page of iMaster NCE-Fabric Insight to verify path reachability. The path is now reachable. Then, check the service to be guaranteed on iMaster NCE-Fabric. The service has been recovered. Let's shift our attention back to the online launch of the company. With the key assurance function of iMaster NCE-Fabric, the company can quickly detect, locate, and rectify any possible faults, ensuring success of the online launch. Well, that's all for this episode of Test It, Believe It. Thank you.